Meaning of Italianate.
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 Italianate. The term Italianate refers to a style or manner that is influenced by Italian art, architecture, and culture. It can be used to describe various art forms such as painting, architecture, and literature, and it was particularly popular in the 19th century. In architecture, Italianate style typically features elaborate window surrounds, decorative cornices, and symmetrical facades. This style was used extensively in the United States during the mid to late 19th century for public buildings, mansions, and even some commercial buildings.